The M1 Flow mATX gaming case is designed with a mesh front panel and optimized ventilation, ensuring maximum airflow with 4 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans that enhance cooling performance. It supports advanced liquid cooling setups with the ability to accommodate a 360mm radiator in the front and a 240mm radiator on top. Modern connectivity is ensured with a USB 3.1 Type-C port and additional USB ports on the front panel, making high-speed device connections convenient. The case boasts a tempered glass side panel that not only adds to its durability, but also allows for showcasing the internal components with a sleek aesthetic. With versatile compatibility, the case supports both micro ATX and ATX motherboards, offering ample space for cable management and easy component installation. Its dimensions ensure that it can fit a CPU cooler up to 185mm in height and a GPU card up to 360mm in length, making it a versatile choice for gaming enthusiasts.